lockdown, my mama started doing exercise, yoga and morning walk. Even after the lunch or dinner, she used to walk in the street to see her efforts and results. All street members, aunties, uncle have thought, is she doing so much efforts? Is she getting the results as well? Yes, she is getting the results. She is doing daily basis. She is same like us. So why can't I do? Why can't we do? Why can't we start this? Yes, she has become an inspiration for them because she has been an example. It is well written statement: to inspire somebody, be an example, and to get inspired by somebody, get an example. So it's called inspiration. Namaste, it's observational speaker welcomes you on your favorite channel, Observational Facts. What is best, inspiration, motivation, or manipulation? You must be getting this question in your mind, so I will help you to answer this question. I am also inspired by somebody. I am also inspired by something, because inspiration is permanent. It comes from your deep of heart. You realize, you feel, analyze something that why can't I do? I must also try if somebody else can do that same. Yes, it is called analyzing from deep of heart and inspiration. Like to get inspiration or become the inspiration of somebody? Yes, you would like to get this because you got an example from me to understand what is inspiration and how does this help us. So what is motivation? Motivation is only temporary. It comes to see something, to see somebody. You just only feel sudden, I must also do. You only feel. You don't realize. You think it is good, but you don't want to do that. It's called motivation. Motivation comes from video, speech, people, things, everything. It is temporary. So you must not get motivation only. You must be inspired. What is manipulation? Have you ever thought that you are being controlled by somebody? You are dancing on tunes of somebody. Somebody is controlling you. You are not able to keep your words, opinion. You have fear, guilt, obligation. Fear, guilt, obligation. These three words will help you to understand where is manipulation and who is manipulating me. Manipulation means controlling you, overcoming on you, stopping you to think, to do whatever you want. It's called manipulation. Where does this come from? Where? Who is doing this? It comes from society, people, friends, colleague, entrepreneur, salesman, marketer. They all do manipulation, but you are not realizing this. I realized, and I think that manipulation is really totally bad. You must save yourself. Now, how will you save yourself? Before understanding this, how can you save yourself? Let's understand how do you get manipulated. Society. How you will realize. Sometimes society says, oh God, you are changing yourself. That's very bad. It's not good. So you feel guilt. And the guilt is manipulation. Sometimes they say, okay, if you are going so late, coming late, so it's very bad for you, for your life. So again, you get fear, and it's again a manipulation. Sometimes they say that you're doing well job, good, keep it up. And you get obligation, like you get responsibility to do something more better. It's called manipulation from society. Even your friends sometimes do emotional manipulation. They say, if you don't come, I will break my friendship. If you don't listen me, I will not listen you. So it is again fear, guilt, and obligation. These three terms again manipulating you. Salesman, they ask so many questions to you about the product, and they just understand your mindset, what you are thinking, what you are doing. So they start manipulating you. You don't realize, and you start purchasing the things, products, because they have manipulated you. Let's talk about entrepreneur. Entrepreneur also do that same. They start shouting when you keep something, you keep your opinion, and they make the fear in you not to say about anything, not about your salary, not about your position, not about your job. Anything you will not say, because they have created a fear of shouting. Shouting will stop you to do anything. Honor says that you did not do proper job. I guess that you are so careless nowadays. So you feel guilt and you feel obliged to do the work. It's called again manipulation from the entrepreneur. You need to save yourself from this manipulation, because it stops you to do your own growth. It stops you, it diverts you, it frustrates you. It just manipulates you. You get depression, you break your self-belief, and you don't trust on yourself as well. You just only think about this, that. It's called manipulation. So please stop this, understand this, realize this. So if you want to stop yourself from this and save yourself from manipulation, so just do only one thing. Understand fear, guilt, and obligation. These three terms must not be with you. To keep your word, to keep your opinion, to take decision. If you are talking about, thinking about these three words, so definitely you are manipulated. If you are not, so you will not think about fear, obligation, and guilt. Let's overcome on it. I hope this was a helpful video for you. All about the video difference between inspiration, manipulation and motivation. Hope was very beneficial for you to understand and analyze what should be in my life and what shouldn't be. For the next time video, please subscribe the channel. Bye bye. Have a nice time. Thank you.